Hi, my name is Logan, and I'm going to show you how to peel a cedar log and make a bark basket in less than 30 seconds. Alright, start with your cedar log. I've already got a notch because I'm making a handrail. Find any knots on the surface of this thing. Here's one where a little branch comes through. I'm going to start a flathead screwdriver. Just get under this cambium. It's that sappy layer of wood that's alive. This is the part of the tree that's alive. It's sucking up water, and we're gonna peel that off. Kind of chisel it in. Follow that knot around, kind of get it in, and open it up at the same time. It'll kind of make a straight line for you. Going through another knot right here, and up to the end. And I'm just gonna keep going back and forth. Sort of peeling as I go, getting a little bit of leverage. Then I'm going to switch to this flat bar. Really pry it. I'm going to peel all of this off in one piece if I can. And then just take the best section with the least amount of knots, defects to make a basket. Then you just draw like a football shape right in the middle and then fold it. And we have a little basket. Pretty cool, huh? So that's a big one. I want to make sure these are not too big. I'm just gonna rip little tiny 1/4 inch laces. Drill some holes to hold that together.
What would you use if you didn't have a drill?
Probably a stone and like tie it to a stick and, you know, make a fire, but with like a stone point. That's how people used to make drills back in prehistory. Gotta tie this. Tuck it. Or not, you could just bend it, because it's gonna hold together once this thing goes in. But that's like a lace right there. Bam. And I think I'm pretty satisfied right now with that. What you do want to do is get something to hold its shape, because it's going to want to curl as it dries. So you want to like put something in there that's going to retain that. Maybe what I can do is just cut this shape. Put it in there to hold its shape as it dries. That should hold its shape while it dries. We just drill a couple holes and have a little basket. Yeah.